Hi, today in front of me Oppo A77 and I'll show you that the device comes with the earbuds inside the box. So let's open first the box, which has this is the charger, the USB Type-C cable, and let's also check this paper box. So here we got some paperwork and the protective case. So unfortunately we have no here any earbuds, and if you want to use them with your Oppo device, so you should buy the headphones separately. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.